This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Karri Porter. Country living but minutes from town. Loads of charm left in this home as it features large rooms, beautiful woodwork and sits on a little over 4 acres of ground. Endless possibilities with this property. Square feet and room count per assessor's records. Mineral rights are not owned and will not convey. Seller has never occupied this property and makes no warranties as to condition. Please have buyers perform their due diligence. All parties will need to sign a hold harmless prior to entering the home. Home is being sold as is. For more information, review the details below.